You know, I would hate to do this whole video and then realize I have lipstick on my teeth. That would be super annoying. Like, who did this? I mean, seriously, like, what am I supposed to do if it's not this? If it's not the cars outside, it's the baby crying. If it's not the baby crying, it's the 6-year-old. A girl just can't be cute these days. It's kind of so hard.
We just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
Hey homies, welcome back. Thanks for joining me again. Hope you guys are enjoying the summer and the spring. I mean, spring has been acting up a little bit with all this rain, but now that summer's coming up, by the time this video probably airs, it will be summer. So I'm hoping that you're super excited, as I am. Winter was just not getting the picture. It's like an old boyfriend who just can't move on. So, but now that he's out the way, we are moving forward. I am in the urban neighborhood. Is that what they call it now? Urban? Gentrified? But very noisy outside my window, so excuse the noise. However, speaking of urban and summer, I wanted to bring to you guys some few tips and tricks on how to bring the summer indoors. A lot of us don't have the luxury of outdoor space. I know I don't. So the idea is to bring in some summer feels and vibes and good vibes and airy stuff, and how to do that on the cheap. The first one would be curtains. Now, last year I had yellow curtains, and the yellow curtains were very transitional because they were thick in texture and they were very heavy. So I used them through the winter. But if you have heavier curtains that are a bit darker and you want to bring some life in, I suggest you bring something in that's more vibrant in color, or go with the transparent like I have. The transparent one that I have now, I got at Home Goods for about 20 bucks for 2 panels, which you can't go wrong with. And it brings in so much light without being too transparent, without people being able to see you on the inside if you don't like that kind of thing. You know, some people just don't care. But if you're somebody like my husband, you do. And he's not trying to have everybody in his business on the inside. So I think a happy medium would be to have transparent curtains. Another thing is you can slap some vinegar and water or some Windex on the windows. It's the cheapest way to bring some great sun in, because that sun will make your day brighter. If you're someone like me who has diagnosed themselves with seasonal affective disorder, cleaning the windows will bring that nice juicy sun in. So that's another quick tip for you under curtains. Don't say I never gave you anything. The second tip is to switch up your pillows. I had a burgundy pillows that were cool for the winter. I mean, they were cool. I'm not hating on them. They did what they needed to do for the winter. And I do suggest that you get something that's winter fall friendlier, which is probably more darker, more richer, more warmer, more textures. And then the summer you can have summer spring pillows. I got these at I got these at West Elm. They were $19.99 on sale, and right now it's so funny because most of the pillows that are out right now are actually the full selection. So it'll be, you can actually get some pillows, some bright and light pillows in these stores on sale because they have now switched over their inventory. I love these pillows because they're actually satin. They might be silk. Fancy. These might be silk. And really nice. And I love them because they have so much color. I already have the blue couch, and I was like, oh, what would go nicely with these? And all these colors are complementary to my blue couch. So I was like, oh, gotta have them. The third option is life, bringing in life, bringing in fresh flowers. I got these cuties from Whole Foods. If you ever check out my Insta stories, description box, I'm always like shopping for flowers. I love Whole Foods. I'm always stalking Whole Foods for some peonies, and they usually have them for like 10 bucks. And what a cheap way to, you know, personalize your space, bring in life. I mean, nothing says summer like some fresh flowers. And another way you can bring in life in summer is plants. Now, I for one love plants. Plants don't necessarily love me. I mean, if you're a cactus, you love me. If you're a succulent, you like me sometimes. But there are so many different options of plants that require little maintenance that you can bring in the home. I have Birds of Paradise, which happens to be the new fiddle leaf. Very big, very in your face, in your business. But I love it because it's just like, it says like, I am here, you know, and brings in all the summer vibes. I have also a snake plant, and the snake plant is pretty easy. She knows I'm a hot mess, and she'll be like, you know what, girl, you ain't watered me in 3 months. Well, not 3 months. She's like, girl, you know you ain't watered me in 3 weeks, but I'm gonna just hold on to this water right here until you get your stuff together. And I'll water her, and she'll be fine. I love her. And I also have like, I for one have made sure that I chose flowers that were low maintenance, and I can list a few for you in the description box that you can get easy maintenance. I get most of my flowers from like Home Depot or Lowe's. They always have like the cheaper ones, especially around this time. Oh, so rude. So you can also use those as bringing in some summer. The third option, the third tip that you can do to bring in summer is your coffee table. Personalizing your coffee table. I for one love to personalize my coffee table because it really is a special way that you can bring in your personality. Like I said, flowers are great. You can use anything around the house. It does not have to be anything in particular or anything that you're like, oh, I don't know if that belongs on the coffee table. Who cares? It's what you want, what you like. I personally use this little box because it stores my remotes. My Amazon remote, my Mac remote, maybe a chocolate bar too. But it stores it away, puts it away. I got this little thingamajig that's like a, what do you call these again? I forget the name of it. But I got this. This is just fancy. I don't know what it does. It doesn't really do anything. And I have coasters. Now you better not dare use my coasters because they're Jonathan Adler's. My best friend got these for me from Italy. She went to Italy and bought me Jonathan Adler coasters. Hi, Jonathan. Aren't they cute? They're like an eye cap print. And she got these for me from Italy, thinking it was like, you know, something special from Italy. And I was like, oh, you get these in Soho. But she's the best. I love them. They're my favorite. So I don't really use them though. They're just for decoration, so don't touch them. And there are many ways you can use some of your favorite textbooks or books that are very colorful and vibrant. That can definitely help with bringing in some summer vibes. Other ways to bring in your summer vibe is raising the carpet. Now, this only applies obviously if you have an area rug. I for one love area rugs. They define the space, they anchor the space, they give the space a whole lot of personality. But in the summertime, I feel like some area rugs tend to be a little bit warm and they hold in the unnecessary heat that we don't really want in the summer. So what I try to do is I roll up the top carpet and I throw it under my bed. And if you have a queen bed, it's easy for you to just throw it under there. You won't miss it. I do that. But again, you can always leave your area rug. It's just another tip. And if you want to leave that nice and airy, vibrant feel in your home, you can also, another option is to go for that layered look and buy those like nice little inexpensive woven rugs that Target sells, Home Goods, and I even think I've seen some at Walmart. And you can do the whole layered look. It's such a bright. It's a airy feeling, breezy feeling. It doesn't weigh the room down, and it's a great way to bring the summer on the inside. So I for one love the summer, and I know that sometimes it's unfortunate that we can't decorate our verandas or our balconies or whatever the case is, but I think when we do these subtle, inexpensive ways of bringing in the summer, it's not so bad staying inside every once in a while. But when we do have the time, of course, get out there. So I hope that you loved my video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to me, because I'm gonna try to make these videos more often, and hit that little bell, and when I do post videos, you'll be notified. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining again, guys, and see you soon. Bye.